Good morning, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am going to start putting these I-beams up across here. So what you seen me do up there with the tape measure messing around, I'm trying to get that roof started out square. And so any builder knows this little trick. Measure out 4 feet one direction and 3 feet one direction, and then the distance between those two would be 5 feet. That's just an old builder's trick that I'm sure most of you old timers probably know. So I was just getting things squared up there to get things going straight. Okay, I think I'll close out this video here. I've got one more I-beam to come out here to the end of this thing or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there yet. I needed to think about it a little bit, but dang, this is quite a building. Getting all them I-beams up there. So the purlins will come next, but I'm gonna have to mill them, so that's gonna take some time on that. And I've got the metal roof ordered for it, supposed to be in next week. And I wanted to just point out here, so somebody doesn't need to worry about commenting that I got things out of place. I got all of these I-beams. I bought them from my sister. Her late husband had them left over from a project, and so I bought them from my sister. And so I just built this thing according to what I had, and I didn't have enough of the longer I-beams. So every third I-beam here is a little bit short, but that'll be fine. The purlin can go across there out on these ends, and it'll be fine with them short like that. So anyway, I was wondering whether I would get to it to get a roof over it before snow flies, but it looks like I might pull it off. Thanks for watching.